Next program is the Lifetime Achievement Awards. First Lifetime Achievement Award goes to Dr. Sharma. And as Dr. Thillavelal said, Dr. Sharma is an encyclopedia. And am I audible?
Yeah.
It's an encyclopedia, and it takes really it will take half an hour to read his CV. Anyway, I have shortened it, and I will say in 10 minutes. About Dr. Sharma, he is presently the consultant physician in internal medicine in Manipal Hospital, Whitefield, Bangalore. Was the Emeritus Professor of Cardiology, Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences, Srikakulam, Andhra Pradesh. Adjunct Professor, Tamil Nadu, Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai. Visiting Professor, GEMS College, Srikakulam. Honorary National Professor of Medicine, IMA, CGP. Ex-Secretary, American College of Physicians, India Chapter. Adjunct Faculty, ISS Medical University, Mysore. MRCP Online Faculty, Taxila American University. And he did his MBBS from Andhra Medical College, Andhra University, Visakhapatnam. MD Internal Medicine also from Andhra Medical College, Visakhapatnam. MC McMaster University, Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. He has a lot of fellowships to his credit. FIMSA, to say a few. FIMSA from India, FCGP from India, FRCP from Glasgow, FCCP from USA, FICP India, FACP USA, FRCP Edinburgh, UK, FIAMS India. He had undergone various special trainings in various subjects: diabetes, hypertension, HIV, community medicine, clinical immunology, etc. In 1975, he was elected as Senior Research Fellow of ICMR based on nation-wide competitive examination under the Talent Research Scheme of ICMR and joined the research cadres as Research Officer in 1979. He was a part of famous Chengalpet BCG efficacy field trial from 1981 to 1989. During this period, he presented papers in various national and international conferences and also published research papers. In 1989, he started his own 12-bedded hospital in a semi-urban area of Tiruvallur, where at that time no facilities were available even for simple investigations like ECG, X-ray. His was the first center to have these basic facilities in a private sector in that area, catering to the needs of rural population at a very affordable cost for the surrounding 300 plus villages. In spite of busy consulting practice from the time he started his private hospital, he is always keen in improving his knowledge and updating himself. He is highly acclaimed for his clinical skills, kind heart, pleasing bedside manners, and work ethics. He is the founder secretary of IMA Tiruvallur branch. Presently, he is serving as secretary and member of the governing council of ACP India chapter. He started his own forum for educating his colleagues and updating them, Dr. Sharma's CME forum, with around 200 Chennai doctors being its members. It is in operation for more than 2 decades. He conducts monthly CME programs of his own on various important topics of practical application. These talks are very well attended and highly appreciated by all the participants. The CME presentations are made available on his personal website, www.drsharma.in, and his video lectures on his YouTube channel, Dr. Sharma Ji YouTube. There are about 220 presentations of him available for free download on this website. His teaching skills are excellent, and he is the most sought after his simple teaching style. So he is doing regular CME talks for IMA Chennai Metro branch, which is well attended by many participants. He is awarded the National Professor status by IMA for his aptitude and commitment towards teaching. As a visiting professor, he taught undergraduates and postgraduates in many institutions in Chennai. He has formed a cardiometabolic forum along with his cardiology colleagues, meets bi-monthly to update senior consultants of new developments in the field of cardiology, diabetes, and lipidology. He had conducted more than 15 medical workshops on various conferences and presented an equal number of papers in multiple conferences. He had delivered innumerable lectures in many universities, colleges, and conferences throughout India and abroad. He has got a lot of honors and awards to his credit. He is service-minded, organizes free medical camps, helps orphanage homes and old age homes. He has special interest in religious and philosophical literature and poetry and regularly presents spiritual talks too. He has enviable computer knowledge, presentation skills, and his PowerPoint talks mirror this. He was awarded, he was the active person to get Lifetime Achievement Award, and he should be awarded a Bharat Ratna Award. That's what I think after reading his CV. He's eligible for Bharat Ratna Award. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for a very, very detailed and lovely introduction. You deserve to be congratulated for just making this function happen. And as has been said by our seniors and the office bearers here, an award represents only a sort of responsibility. Okay, here is my wife. I have great pleasure in introducing her to all of you. Her name is Subha Reddy, an exponent of Veena also. Subha, you
Nice to see you.
yeah. Now it is her on your behalf, on behalf of the Chennai Metro, she is going to honor me in the presence of all the dignitaries.
For the audience, he is in Bangalore, so he is unable to come to Chennai to receive the award. So I had sent the award by courier to him, his address.
It is nice to be honored by a wife.
It is a nice pleasure.
Thank you.
I'd like to say a few words.
Yes, sir.
Now, I am a intelligence, motivation to work hard, and A, attitude and appreciation by the public for the attitude are the clear hallmarks of a very successful doctor. No doubt about it. One has to have all those which I have mentioned in the letters IMA. And we in the IMA all stand for that. And IMA members are but very intelligent people, very motivated to work hard in terms of COVID and any other harder times. And the attitude of them has got appreciation from everyone. But I tell you, this is not adequate. It's not adequate.
நாளைந்து இவ்வளவு
Yes, yes, H. That word, I am here, ish. What is that S, H? Yes, is a doctor needs to be spiritual. If he doesn't be, he is not having the spiritual bent of mind, immediately the discrimination starts in the mind. Spirituality is oneness. Spirituality is equanimity. Spirituality is equality. Spirituality is samatva. And that is the first quality for a great human being and also more so for a doctor. The second yes stands for studentship. A doctor is a lifetime student. I remember and I recall with great honor my guru's words. He used to say, in the medical college, you are medical student. But once you exit the medical college, you are students of medicine. Don't forget it. This was the word he used in our valedictory address. And today, that went into my brain, and the continuing studentship is very, very important. And this award reads as I am a Lifetime Achievement Award. I would rather take it in the sense that lifetime studentship responsibility. Lifetime studentship responsibility is, if you want to be a great doctor, first of all, you must be a good teacher. If you want to be a good teacher, you must be a good learner. If you want to be a good teacher, you must be a good learner. Remember, all of us have to remember, this is the path in which we have been molded by our teachers. And great teachers we had in those days, Professor E.N.B. Sharma, Professor N.T. Subramaniam sir, and my guide and philosopher, and many of those, if I just think of their names, mind-boggling. The way in which they carved us out is you are seeing what we are. We are nothing but the replicas. A guru never wants his student to fail. He wants his student to come up better than him. That is the quality of a real guru. That's how our dedicated teachers. I am sure all of you would have had anecdotal memories of your studenthood in the college. Then yes, H. We said one yes is spirituality, the other yes is your studentship forever, lifetime studentship, and H is humility. Humility is the greatest quality that makes you bear the weight of any award. So if you are having the humility, the success should always go to the heart and not to the head, used to say my teacher. Very correct. Humility. And finally, humanity. No other profession demands a human attitude. The more humane we are, the more welcome by our patients and the society. Needless to say that we will imbibe the spirit of I am a intelligent, very motivated, accomplished and appreciated by the public, plus spiritual in our approach. No discrimination of caste, kind, religion, race, rich, poor, any divide. And then the next yes is lifetime studentship. If we do not study, I'll tell you that is a professional death. On the very day I stop studying, I am professionally dead. And H, the humility, and H, the human nature or humanity are the ones. Thank you for the opportunity. I feel very blessed and I'm humbled by this award presented to me. And as has been said, there are many colleagues of mine who are worth this memento and the award. But it is only a token representation and responsibility on me, which I will carry forward the spirit of IMA and the spirit of doctorhood. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You richly deserve this honor, sir. In fact, you deserve more. And IMA Chennai Metro branch is proud and honored to present you with this award, sir.